Once upon a time, there was one boy had a problems, had a situations. What do I do in his life? But I might understand. You can do this. You can refresh your mind. You can regain your temporary memory. Because memory is very fantastic. If you don't take rest, your memory will not working. But as well as you can take your mindset because your mind don't understand. Your mind not is working on your life. But you should understand is my mind is not working. We should have understand. We should have take a rest of our mind because whenever you are working for many days many hours for but you are not taking rest, you are not taking any twist, your mind will not working, your mind will getting your any wrong working because your mind want to only stamina, want to only something take a rest. First of all, you understand if you have any career confusing and the problems any issued, you should have understand if you have a confusing and so what do I do and in his life and forward and you have no any chance any forward. What do I do after 1 year 3 year because he want to something in his life because he want to multimedia and something in life. I want to money, I want to earn money more than money, but we have no any chance for taking money for earning money because everybody successful people had a problem but they had to complete this problem only, but they had never had a procrastination in his life because every poor man only this habit you can't understand because every people man only 1 hour 3 hour hard work then he can sit, but success people and stubborn people can't stop in his life. He knows if I don't hard working I will not get job, I will not succeed in life because he has to hard working in his life because that's fella and those who don't is working life so and though you can feed is take a work take a different when you fail. If whichever in field you are working, listen, you are working for interest rate, listen, and for this after the 4 days your interest will finish and as well as so this situation what do I do and you can understand that period because listen and if you are working for many days, if you has been working for many days, you are not taking rest, you are not taking any twist in your life because your life will not understand, your life will be disgusting because for example if you like pizza and vegetables, you don't understanding if you provide only pizza vegetable for many days for till 1 month, you will take only for 5 days after will not you take because you have fulfilled this pizza and your vegetables because you ultimate favorite, but why did happen such as you didn't like this because for after days actually you don't understand it because I have been taking that's why I didn't like this, but you should understand why did I like because this period can come anybody with anybody. First of all we have to understand how can we overcome this situation, how can we overcome this period, but I can understand because if you have worked because even then I am worked, I have worked for many days because I have done for many days and any companies multimedia selling and call centers, but you have no and as well as while I was thinking then I was working in this field, I was thinking what do I do, but then I changed my twist, I changed it because I had been working for many days in these companies, but I took a one twist in my life, then I can change my life, then I am here for my took a action. If I hadn't taken action, I didn't succeed in my life, I would not have my core business because you have no interest in this field as much you would like it. I tell you in a secret, if you are working such as in a field that you work daily, after once time your interest finish, your interest will lose. It's a only situation, take a rest and spend time with yourself, that's it, that's a right for your career. If you don't take any problems, you don't take any situations, only your business and job, but I think you have a problem, you must have a problem. They had to this problem as well as they had passed in his life as well as you will pass, but they are just need a procrastination, they just need a take a rest with your life, spend time with yourself. As well as I'm telling you, if you like these videos, I'm Sagar Gulista. Thanks, good luck, notification by this Sagar Gulista. Thanks.